All right, how's it going, everybody? It's Jamie here, and welcome back to another reaction video. Time to react to a band that I have not had on the channel before, but I am slightly familiar with. We're checking out the new "In This Moment" song that came out 2 weeks ago now, I think. 13 days, yeah. This is their song "Crawl." I am not a huge fan of "In This Moment." I've seen them live; they're incredible live, and some of the songs in their older discography I do really enjoy. Um, but I just haven't listened to much of the newer stuff really to give it a chance and kind of, enjoy it, I guess. So I'm not saying that I don't enjoy In This Moment's new material. I just haven't heard really any of it. But I am excited for this song because my fiance loves In This Moment. They're one of her top bands for sure. And she was telling me that the other singles for this album cycle have been like more of their older sound, where Maria's screaming again. So like that's kind of peak. So I'm very excited to check this song out, and I think that's enough of an introduction. This "In This Moment" "Crawl" official music video. Mmm. This is sick, dude. What?
You just take it, you just want it.
Ooh.
You just fake it, you just need it all.
Ooh, okay. This is really fucking sick so far. If this is the chorus that's coming up here, and it's probably my favorite part of the song so far.
You just take it, you just want it.
Yeah, this is a really cool chorus, dude. Okay, I'm gonna back it up for a second because there's just a couple of things that I want to note. Uh, Flying V supremacy. I love a flying V guitar, so the fact that both guitar players are playing them, peak. And they're 7 strings, beautiful. Also, speaking of beautiful, if you don't simp for Maria Brink, you're just wrong. You're just incorrect. Because I'm not sure exactly how old Maria Brink is nowadays. I know she's on the middle-aged side. God, she's still so fine. Still so fine. Anyways. Oh, let's go, bro. That drop was sick, dude.
You can take it, you can have it all. Watch me rise and I will watch you fall. You just fake it, you just need it all. With this, we won't watch you cry.
Dude, that song. Oh, it's not over yet. Oh. Oh, is this their upcoming album? Peak. Peak. Yeah, that song was really sick. I really enjoyed that. Yeah, because I mean I had the brief kind of I had my expectations set briefly as to know what to go into. And yeah, I mean it exceeded my expectations. That song was fire. It definitely had like more of the older sound to it for sure. Which I not like old, but like uh Blood era. Was that the name of that album, or was that album called Horror? The album with that song on it. It sounded more like that era, which is what I got into with them. And yeah, I really enjoyed it. Cannot wait to check out the other singles that they released and to listen to the album when it comes out. But let me know what you guys thought of the song down in the comment section below, and thank you for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, be sure to leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss any future uploads from me. That's going to do it here for me. I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you all in the next video.